Hi everyone, I'm Rachel. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to do a soft colored pencil styled portrait using the Color Therapy app. If you'd like to follow along, find this image under People, Blowing Hair. So the trick with this is that you don't want to tap to fill in anything with a solid color, but rather softly add hatching strokes with the soft pastel and pencil tool. Let's start off by using the Skin Shades palette, and I'm going to start with the first color, and then let's go over to the pencil tool. Let's use size 75 and opacity at 100. Now let's turn coloring inside the lines mode to on for most of this, and I'm just going to start to just really softly color in the face. So I'm going around the eyes, down around the nose, forehead, etc. Just kind of loosely coloring it in. It's okay to leave some white areas. So to get that really nice soft colored pencil look, I'm going to emphasize the features such as the eyes, nose, and lips, so we'll focus on those. Now in the bubblegum palette, I'm going to use the second color, and I'm going to color in the lips softly. And then I'll use the first color from the top row, and I'm going to lower the size to 40. So focusing in on those lips, I'm just going to add some nice color to the corners of the lips, and then also just trace around the middle part. Now let's use the last two colors on the bottom row. I'll start with the burgundy, and then I'm going to lower the size down to 1, and I'm just going to continue to add in some details. So I'm just tracing around those lip lines in the middle. I'm just going to trace around the lips too, just outlining the lips on that inside edge, and adding some little streaks coming down into the lips too. And then using the darker purple, I'll add in some more details further. You can also switch over to white and add in a little highlight just right in the middle bottom of the bottom lip. Maybe a little bit on the top too. And then just lower your stroke opacity as needed to see how it's looking. Back in the Skin Shades palette, I'm using the fourth color. And then under the pencil tool, I'm going to have the size at 35 and opacity at 60. And I'm just going to shade the face, so I'm kind of focusing on the cheeks softly. And I'm using those lines around the nose that are there for me, the shading lines. Following those lines, just adding soft shadows, so around the eyes, cheekbones, under the nose, and then under the lips, and along the jawline. Let's switch over now to the soft pastel tool. I'm using size 65 and opacity 40. In the bubblegum palette, I'm using the second color and just adding nice little soft blush to the cheeks, and lower the size to 50. Around the eyes, I'm just going to add a little eyeshadow, just making it nice and blush, rosy around the eyes. Over in the hair shades palette, I'm going to use the first color and the last color on the second row, and I'm just going to be coloring in the eyebrows. So I'm just adding a soft layer with the same settings for the pastel tool. And we can refine it with the pencil tool. And let's refine those little hairs for the eyebrows. So I'm using the pencil tool at size 1 and opacity 50, and just drawing little strokes for the eyebrows. Again, you can lower your stroke opacity just to see how it's looking. In the hair shades palette, choose the second color on the top row. Let's just focus on the eyes now. So I'm using those same settings with the pencil tool. I'm just outlining the whole eye. And with your pencil tool at size 50, I'm going to be using the turquoise green from the bubblegum palette and just filling in the eyes. But you can do whatever color you want. And then going back and just lowering our pencil tool again, I'm outlining the iris just with a few layers with that color. And then I'm going to switch to black just so it's a little bit darker. It doesn't have to be jet black because we want to keep it pretty soft. I'm just adding another layer, and I'll lower my stroke opacity just to see better. I'm going to darken the top of the eye too, where the eyelashes are, just a little bit with the black. Back in the bubblegum palette, I'm going to add a little more eyeshadow using the second to last color on the bottom row. And so with the soft pastel tool, I'm using size 16 and opacity 40. So I'm just adding a little bit of darker eyeshadow just around those outside edges of the eyes. And then for the mascara, I'm doing the pencil tool, size 1, opacity 100. And I'm using the darkest color of the hair shades palette. It's the fifth color from the right on the top row. And just adding in a few little eyelashes here and there. So we also want to outline the nose just a little bit. So I'm using the third color from the right on the second row. I'm using pen tool, size 10 and opacity at 50. I'm just softly tracing those lines. You can also readjust them or make them a different shape if you want. You can color in the nostril, add a little bit of black in the nostril if you want. And then I would also use the soft pastel tool, the color white, and then set the opacity at 100 and then whatever size you want. And you can kind of just dabble and dot some areas that need to be lighter. And this is also a good way to blend the colors too. And then for the hair, to get that wispy look, try using the thin fur tool and as well as combining the pencil and soft pastel tool. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.